this morning I decided to go ahead and show how I have my Yak-Power set up on my kayak. Pretty simple. I got a new action hat and I wanted to test the camera out actually, so I thought I'd make a quick video to see if I have it all set up right and if my microphone is okay. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Alright, so what I have here, oh hi Nick, look, got your hat, thanks a lot. Also got your hooded sweatshirt, thank you very much. And let's see here, if you need anything for your kayak, like your seat risers or anything, this guy right here is the guy to talk to. He is the man when it comes to making modifications to make your kayak easier. Like these seat risers right here. Right there, they're great. I've got the front part of the seat riser right here. Man, it makes your life a lot easier, especially if you're an old fat guy like me. So what I have here, I have just a cheap Ollie's cutting board, basically is what it is, and I put some Velcro on it. I have two 10 amp hour Nocqua batteries that are connected to a switching device right here. You hit it once to power it on, and then that's it. It'll switch automatically when the battery power gets low, when it detects the battery power low. I've been out on the kayak 3 times already, pretty much fished all day, and I have yet have the battery switch over to the backup battery, and that's running this Garmin 93 SV, which is pretty big. I figured when I switched from the Striker 4, I thought maybe it would actually consume a lot more battery power, but you know what? It consumes the same amount of battery power as the Striker 4. Amazing enough. So that's with this. With the puck. And sometimes using my charger, my USB charger right here, to charge my cell phone. Let me get this under here. Alright. This thing is great. It's well worth the money. I know a lot of people are thinking that, why spend the money on that? It's not really, you know, that big a deal. I just wire everything up, and that's it. But I like it because you can individually identify your cables easily, and you can disconnect something if you end up having a problem. Like my number 1 right here is my fish finder. My number 2 is going to be my puck, and my number 3 is going to be my midship right there, which is my USB charger. The Yak-Power control head sits right here. I just have it on a track. All comes with the parts you need to connect it to your track. That's like a GoPro mount. And you could also use it with the app on your cell phone. It all connects by Bluetooth. I have it all tucked away down in here. By the way, back in here I have a first aid kit just in case. You should always carry a first aid kit with you. And I velcroed it to the bottom of the kayak also. This is just the setup, perfect setup, lightweight, velcroed in there. I could pull it out. I put some tie straps right here on these. You can't really see it probably. Maybe you can. I don't have my glasses on. Here I got a couple more extra connections for future accessories. For a power pole, I think one of them is probably stern. This one right here is bow, I think. No, that's stern. So that goes to the stern. And then the other one's bow, if you want to use the lights. So I could add 2 more things. I can add lights and probably a power pole. So I hope this helps. Like I said, it just tucks away down in there, and it's worked out perfect. I don't know if you would need the second battery, because like I said, I haven't switched over automatically to the second battery yet. But if I get the power pole, I probably will. Alright, let me tuck it in here. I don't normally pull this out. I just pulled it out for the video. It stays in here. don't know what that is. Paper towel. Alright. So I just tuck it in here. Just set it right here. Like that. It's not going anywhere. Put these in. Put that battery right there. Put these wires around here. My master wire, which is coming out right here. I have to connect him. I'm looking around for it and it's right here. So this is my master wire. So I connect him to the switch. Put that out of there. Alright. These wires tucked around here. I could tie strap them up. And I just have a little piece of Velcro right here for my switch. And I just have it right there. Now when I charge them, I can just disconnect them right here and charge them right here in the boat. On the kayak. I don't have to disconnect anything to charge it. It's not going anywhere like that. See, when I turn it on, it turns red. So now it's powered up and active. The control head, turn it on there. Turn it, hit again. There we go. I can turn on number 1. Here it switch. Number 2, etc. Midship. My midship one. See, it's showing my voltage right here. 12.6 volts. This is a nice little USB charger. I like it. You can also turn it on as like a voltmeter here to the side. Pretty neat. I have not really used it a whole lot. I thought I would need it more, but I really haven't had to use it that much. Well, I hope this video helps, and I hope you get some use out of it so you can rig up your Yak-Power. But that's how I do it. It's a little sloppy right now. I'm going to tie strap it up, like I said. So when I get in from fishing, I just turn it off right there. Disconnect these guys. Actually, I have this turned around. I think that's what's giving me a hard time. There we go. That's how it's supposed to go. Yeah, that way I can pull these guys, disconnect them, and just charge them right here. And I could, when I go out, before I go out, I just push this button and turn it on. I hope this helps. Have a good day. Hopefully I'll get to fish tomorrow.